Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, or welcome to the channel if you're new, and welcome this morning to a new video on MOG. All right, wanted to cover it because we got a bit of a breakout and especially some bullish momentum overnight. I was looking at MOG the last couple of days as well because what you could see is that we actually were forming, and that's also why it's still interesting to look at it right now. We're forming a relatively bullish market structure, right? In general, if you zoom out from MOG right here, it's compared to other meme coins, it's a little bit of an underperformer, especially if you think about other meme coins that kind of were in the same wave as MOG. So then you think about Popcat, or you think about Mew. Those all performed very much way better. But MOG has a good community. It has good volume as well. So I mean, you could make the argument that now it's time for MOG to rally. And then if you combine that with the technicals and what you saw in the last couple of days, is that we were very much holding on to this trend we had. All right, and there was, after the bearish momentum we had at the beginning of last week, we were holding some sort of a consolidation here. Got the first bullish breakout here on Monday, so yesterday afternoon. And then when the market turns a little bit more bearish, MOG was actually able to hold its levels very well. All right, you can see it broke above the trend line right here, or not the trend line, but above the trend band. Broke above that, managed to hold that. At the same point of time, I actually haven't looked at this, but I assume we also gained quite a lot of momentum. So that you can see right here. Yeah, gained some momentum at least with the breakout. It has dropped down again right now, so I'm not fully bullish on MOG anymore. But we had signs of some sort of a bullish market structure starting, and now we're at resistance. So the big question is all right, well, can we actually get a breakout above this major resistance level? I would say the main level we need to break is between 2200 and 2300. We have historically, or at least on Sunday the 21st of July, we have broken above that. But in general, times were very, very, very volatile. Then it was the weekend. So that was very much a fake out. I would say, like, to really deduce it to something, I would say this is the main level we need to break above. All right, if we're able to break above this level, then I think we can actually rally much higher. So do I expect this breakout? Right, that's the main question we have to talk about, and the answer is no. Right, I think ultimately, regardless of, like, meme coins can rally at any point of time. All right, and you should be prepared for that. But usually meme coins rally when the market is very volatile and has momentum, which at this moment Bitcoin is very much kind of consolidating, or at least it's getting into a little bit more of a ranging state. And then apart from that, like I said, what you also need to really start rallying is momentum. And yesterday we gained momentum, all right, and earlier this morning we gained momentum as well. But at this point of time, it's not rallying. It doesn't necessarily look like it's rallying. So I think you need to keep an eye on that open interest. If we see the open interest start to rally, then we can actually break above that level. And I do think you need to have a excuse me, a price alert at 2250 or something right here. So that if we do hit those levels, you'll be alerted, all right? And then you can check out the momentum. And then if the momentum is also going up and Bitcoin looks bullish, then we can break out. But for now, I would say it's more likely that we will hold this resistance, and that will just kind of stay in the same formation we've been in for the last couple of days. So drop down towards 1850, drop down towards 1700, hold those levels, but I don't expect the breakout or momentum to kick in until we see that open interest increase. And preferably also Bitcoin be a little bit more bullish. But that's not necessarily needed. But those are my thoughts, all right? That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.